Hey y'all, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing super awesome today. Welcome to Zahatka. My name is Valentina, and today I'll be showing you a very beginner-friendly tutorial for a little makeup pouch that looks like this. It has the flat squared bottom and it's not squared on top. It goes at angles. If you're ready to see how to make this flat bottom zipper pouch, hit that thumbs up button. Let's go! For this project in the video, I'm using a quilt that I thrifted. So it's already quilted with batting inside, so I don't have to do that step. But I cut out a liner and a piece of the blanket that's 10 by 17 inches. And if you don't have a quilt, you just cut out batting, same size, and do the quilted pattern, and then you'll be at the step that I'm at. And the next step is the zipper sandwich. So you have your outer piece laying up, and then your zipper, you put it down and upside down, and then you put your liner pretty side down if there's two different sides, and you attach it, clip it or pin it. I prefer clips, but whatever you prefer, you just do that on both sides and then sew the zipper down. And I do like to use my zipper foot for this, so I'm switching out my normal foot to the zipper foot. Then before doing the top stitch, I like to iron it down. I iron down both the back side and the front side so it's laying flat, and then I stitch my top stitch on there. Now it's time to put on the zipper slider, and you put the two pieces together, and I mentioned it in videos before, but if you haven't seen, I like to cut one of the sides of the zippers shorter than the other, and it's easier to put on the zipper slider that way. Then I decided I'm going to make a little strap to hang out on the side if you want to strap it onto somewhere, like inside of your bag. So I cut a 2-inch piece, folded it hot dog style, sewed it together, cut it down to about 3 inches long in length, and turned it right side out. Now I set that aside for a second and got my bag again, and I turn it inside out, and I also turn the liner inside out and put it on the other side, so you have your liner and your other piece, they're both turned inside out. You get your little strap that you made and attach it wherever you would like it in your bag to be. I like it right by the zip, like a little bit below the zipper. And then I put clips anywhere else I feel like I need them, and I'll be sewing the two sides together. So wherever you feel like you'll need clips, just put them there and sew along the sides. Then cut off any excess zipper or excess fabric that you have, and you'll be making next your boxed bottom. And I did 1.5-inch squares, and you'll do 4 squares, 2 on your outer piece and 2 on your liner on the edges, right, like I'm doing. I like to draw them on first, measure them out, draw them on, and then cut them out. Then those squares that you just cut out, you pinch them together diagonally, and I like to clip them just so I know which ones I will have to sew. And you sew the 2 of the outside piece ones, and then 1 of the liner ones, and the other one we'll be using to turn the project right side out. here I have my 3 corners sewn together, and that 4th corner I'm just pulling the bag through the hole and turning it right side out. And after I pull it through, make sure to poke out all the corners, make sure all the edges are straight and everything, and there's no holes anywhere. I sewed it up good. You'll sew the additional diagonal piece. You'll just fold it inside of each other, just like I'm going to show you right here. And now you just put your liner back inside there and poke everything out. Make sure it's all straight and everything. And essentially you're all done with your bag. But I decided to add a little tassel to the zipper. So I cut a 1.5 inch by about 10-inch line, folded it hot dog wise, and then I sewed one line across and then turned it right side out, put it through the little zipper hole, tied a little knot, and I have my little tassel for the zipper. Makes it easier to open, and then we are all done. It looks beautiful. I have my label on the inside, and it's ready to use. And before I do finish this video off, I just wanted to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch and letting me be a part of your day. I hope this tutorial was very useful for you and you learned how to make this flat bottom zipper pouch and you'll be able to use it. And if you did enjoy it, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and all that good stuff. It helps me out a lot. And again, thank you so much for being here, and see you again next time. Bye!